Duplex method to find squares. Let's discuss first for two-digit numbers. Suppose you want to find the square of 43. So we will assume this 4 as A and 3 as B. Take the square of 4 as A square. In the middle, write 2AB, and last column you make it for B square. Now A square is 4 square, that is 16. B square is 3 square, that is 9. And 2AB. 2AB is 2 into 4 into 3. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2 is 20. And now pick one digit at a time, start from right and write the final answer. So from this side take 9, this side 4. Now because in the middle there are two digits, so shift one digit to this side. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer will be 1849. Let's take one more example to find a square of a two-digit number. Suppose the two-digit number is 76. Take 7 as A, 6 as B. So write in the same way like we did in the previous sum. 7 square is 49. 6 square is 36. And 2AB. 2 into 7 into 6. So 7 times 6, 42. 42 double is 84. 84 here. Now write down the final answer. Start from right. 6. 3 plus 4, 7. 49 plus 8, 57. So square of 76 is 5776. So this is called duplex method to find squares of two-digit numbers. Now let's take for three-digit numbers. Let's take the first example. Suppose the question is square of 324. 324. Assume 3 as A, 2 as B, and 4 as C. Make 5 groups here. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. This side you write A square, 2AB, and this side, the last group, you make it as your C square. The fifth group, in this side, you write 2 times BC, and in the middle, you write B square plus 2AC. So A square is your 3 square, which is 9. 2AB. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12. Now fill the last column. C square. C square is your 16. And then 2BC. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 4 is again 16. Now the middle group is your B square. B square is 2 square. So B square, I'm writing it here. B square plus 2AC will be 4 plus 2 times AC. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. So 24 plus 4 will be 28. Now after writing all the answers, start from right and pick one digit at a time. So from here, you write 6. From here, write 6. From this, shift 1 to this side. 1 plus 6 is 7. Again 1, shift to this side. 8 plus 1, 9. Again shift this 2 to this side. 2 plus 2, 4. And 9 plus 1 is 10. So square of 324 is 104976. So final answer is 104976. Let's make it more clear with one more example. Suppose the next question is find the square of 468. Apply the same method. Take A as 4, B as 6 and C as 8. 4 square will be 16. Now 2AB, 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 6 is 48. Leave the middle group right now. Then go for 2BC. 8 into 6, 48. 48 double is 96. C square, which is 64. Now B square, that is 36 plus 2AC. 8 times 4, 32. 32 double is 64. So 64 plus 36, which is 100. After writing all the answers, now start. Now, as I told you that we have to take one digit at a time. So start from right. 4. 6 shift this side. 12. 9 plus 1, 10. Shift this side. It will be 0 here. 1 will be carried. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 8 will be 19. Again 1 will be carried. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 16 is 21. So the answer of 468 square will be 219024. So you can see with the help of this duplex method, we can easily find a square of 2-digit number and any 3-digit number also. Thank you.